24th మార్నింగ్ JEE మెయిన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ పేపర్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాను. దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇఫ్ ద ఫిఫ్త్ సిక్స్త్ సెవెంత్ టర్మ్స్ of the binomial expansion of 1 plus x square whole power n plus 4 are in AP. Then the greatest binomial coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power n plus 4. So fifth term of the binomial expansion. So fifth term of binomial expansion is n plus 4 c4. This is the fifth term of binomial expansion. Sixth term of binomial expansion n plus 4 c5. Seventh term n plus 4 c6. These are in AP. Given that these are in AP. So that use AP formula, that is called 2 into n plus 4 c5 is equal to 2b is equal a plus c. So n plus 4 c4 plus n plus 4 c6. By simplifying this, you get n is equal 3. So now here 1 plus x square whole plus n plus 4 is 1 plus x square whole power n plus 4 is 1 plus x square 3 plus 4, that is equal 7. Now in this expansion, the greatest binomial expansion is when n is even. Greatest binomial expansion is nc n by 3. When n is odd, the greatest binomial expansion is nc n minus 1 by 3 value. So that here 7 is odd number. Greatest binomial coefficient is equal 7c 7 minus 1 by 2, that is equal 7c3. 7c3 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3, that is equal 35. So 35 is the greatest binomial in the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power n plus 4 when n equal to 3. This is from binomial expansion. Next problem, determinants. Based on determinants, if A is 3 by 3 matrix, such that det A is equal to then det of adjoint of adjoint A, det of. So that is equal formula det of adjoint of A is equal up to r times. So formula is det A whole power n minus 1 whole power r. Formula is. So now in this we get det of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint A is equal 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that R is equal to 4. So det A is equal, N is equal given 3 by 3 matrix. So N is equal to 3 minus 1, R is equal to 4. So that 4, that is equal to det A whole power 2 power 4. Here det A is equal to 2 power 16. So answer is 2 power 16. This is from determinants. Next, limits and continuity. Limits lo problem, ichina problem, limit extends to 0, limit extends to 0, cosecant x into square root of 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus square root of cos square x sin x plus 4 value. Limit extends to 0. Square root of 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus square root of cos square x plus sin x plus 4. So rationalizing the numerator, we get limit extends to 0, square root of, that is equal 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus cos square x minus sin x minus 4, a square minus b square, by here that is equal to sin x into square root of 2 cos square x 3 cos x plus square root of cos square x plus sin x plus 4 plus 4. Now here that is equal to limit extends to 0, 2 cos square x minus cos square x, that is equal to cos square x plus 3 cos x plus 3 cos x minus 4 cos square x plus cos square 3 cos x minus 4 divided by here divided by sin x into limit extends to 0, 1 by square root of 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x plus square root of cos square x plus sin x plus 4, that is equal. So using L'Hospital rule, here limit extends to 0 on substituting x equal to 0, cos 0 1, cos 0 1, 1 plus 3 4 minus 4 0, sin 0 is 0. So 0 by 0. So that apply L'Hospital rule. So we get limit extends to 0, 2 cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x, that is equal to minus 3 sin x, which is 0, cos x. Now I am substituting x equal to 0, 1 by square root of 2 cos 0 1 plus 3 cos 0 1 plus again cos 0 1 plus sin 0 0 plus 4. So now you can substitute here. So this is 0 minus extends to 0. Here 2 cos x into minus sin x minus 3 sin x. We are given that 3 cos x. Cos x means 3 sin x. So this is 0. Next plus sin x, that is equal, here how much? This is equal minus 4. 3 cos x, 0 sin x equal to 0. 3 cos x minus 3 sin x minus cos x. So 3 cos square x plus 3 cos x. So 3 cos x minus cos square x minus sin x plus 4. So cos square x, 3 cos x minus sin x minus 4. So this is equal to minus sin x minus 4 minus sin x minus 4 minus 4. So that minus sin x is equal to minus cos x minus cos x. So now you can substitute x equal to 0, that is equal to 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus 1 by cos 0 equal to 1 into 1 by root 5 plus root 5, that is equal to 2 root 5. So minus 1 by 2 root 5 answer. Minus 1 by 2 root 5 answer. Next problem. From probability, two persons A and B throws a pair of dice alternately. Two persons A and B throws a pair of dice alternately for A to win. He should throw some 5. He should throw some 5 before B throws some 8. Before B throws some 8. If A throws first, then the probability that A wins. So first, probability of getting sum 4. Sum 4 is equal to probability of getting sum 4. So that is equal, sum 4 is equal to 1 3 2 2 1 3 2 2 3 1. That is equal to 1 getting 4. Probability of getting 5. Probability of getting 5. Probability of sum 5. Probability of sum 5 is equal. Probability of sum 5 is equal. Probability of sum 5 is equal to probability of sum 5 is equal to 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. So probable case is equal to 1 2 3 4. 4 by 36. Probability of sum 5, that is equal to P of A. P of A is equal to 4 by 36. Now P of A bar not getting sum 4, that is equal to 32 by 36. 32 by 36. Now probability of sum 8. Probability of getting sum 8. Probability of getting sum 8, that is equal to 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 36. Probability of this is called probability of B. 5 by 36. Probability of B complement, that is equal 31 by 36. Probability of B complement is equal 31 by 36. Now, probability of getting A. So, probability that A wins is equal P of A is equal. So, P of A is equal probability of getting A or first trial lo gelavali leda not getting A, not getting B, probability of getting A, third trial, first trial or third trial or fifth trial, P of A complement, P of B complement, again P of A complement, P of B complement, P of A, and so on, like this. So that is equal, now taking P of A common, we get 1 plus P of A complement into P of B complement, P of A complement into P of B complement whole square, like this. This is infinite series. Infinite sum of infinite series is equal, S infinity is equal A by 1 minus R. So that is equal P of A means 1 by A by 1 minus R, 1 minus P of A complement, P of B complement. That is equal, P of A is equal, P of A is equal to 4 by 36. 4 by 36 into 1 by 1 minus 32 by 36 into 31 by 36. Now you can simplify, that is the required probability. That is the required value is 9 by 16, 9 by 19, I think. 9 by 19 is the correct option. Next problem. Differential equations lo నుండి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం. Differential equations. So if dy by dx plus x by 1 plus x square into y is equal root x by root of 1 plus x square. So y of 0 is equal 0. Then y of 1 is y of 1 is. So here p is equal x by 1 plus x square, q equal to root of x by root of 1 plus x square. P is equal x by 1 plus x square, q is equal root x by square root of 1 plus x square. Now integral factor is equal e power p dx is equal e power x by 1 plus x square dx, that is equal e power, that is equal e power 1 by 2 into 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So f of x by f of x, that is equal log f of x. So e power 1 by 2 log 1 plus x square. So you can write this as log of square root of 1 plus x square. This is square root of 1 plus x square. E power log m base e is equal to m, that is equal 1 plus x square value. So now y into, therefore y into integral factor root of 1 plus x square is equal root of 1 plus x square is equal here root x into root of 1 plus x square. Integral root x into root x by root 1 plus x square into root 1 plus x square into dx plus that is equal, both are cancelled. So root x is equal to x power 1 by 2 y root of 1 plus x square integral root x equal to x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus. So y root of 1 plus x square is equal 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 plus 6. Now given y of 0 equal to 0, that is called y of 0 is equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. It means when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So on substituting here we get, so 0 is equal to 0 plus c. So that c equal to 0. Therefore the equation is y root 1 plus x square is equal 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. Now y of 1 is when x equal to 1, y is, so when x equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to y into root of 1 plus 1 is equal 2 by 3. So y equal to 2 by 3 root 2. So answer is y equal to 3 by root 2. Now rationalizing this, 2 root 2 by 3 into root 2 into root 2. That is equal to root 2 by 3. So answer is root 2 by 3. So that is option here. Third option here is key value. So inverse trigonometric functions నుండి ఇచ్చినటువంటి problem. If alpha and beta are real numbers such that secant square tan inverse alpha plus cosecant square cot inverse beta is equal to 36 and alpha plus beta is equal to 8, then alpha square plus beta is alpha less than beta. So alpha and beta are real numbers such that secant square tan inverse alpha plus cosecant square cot inverse beta is equal to 36 and alpha plus beta is equal to 8. Then alpha square plus beta is when alpha is less than beta. So now first let tan inverse alpha equal to A and cot inverse beta equal to B. So now tan A is alpha is equal to tan A, beta is equal to cot B. Alpha is equal to tan A, beta is equal to cot B. Now secant square of, therefore secant square alpha, secant square A here, tan inverse alpha is equal to A, secant square A plus cosecant square B is equal to 36. 36. Now secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A, cosecant square B can be written as 1 plus cot square B is equal to 36. Now 2 plus tan square A is equal to tan A equal to alpha, tan square A equal to alpha square cot square B, that is equal to beta square, beta square equal to 36. Now alpha square plus beta square equal to 34. Alpha square plus beta square equal to 34. Now we are given alpha plus beta is equal to 8. Alpha plus beta is equal to 8. Now we need to find alpha into beta. So how do you find alpha into beta? You can write this alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, minus 2 alpha beta. This is equal to 34. Alpha plus beta is equal to 8 square minus, you need to find alpha beta, minus 2 alpha beta. So 2 alpha beta is equal to 64 minus 34, which is equal to 64 minus 34, that is equal to 2 alpha beta is equal to 30. So alpha beta is equal to 15. So alpha beta is equal to 15. Alpha plus beta is equal to 8. They are given alpha plus beta is equal to 8. These are two given conditions. One is given. So we got alpha beta is equal to 15. Now these are the roots of. So these are the roots of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the equation. So x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. Now we need to find factors. So they are 5, 3. 5, 3. X square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. X of x minus 3, x of 5. X minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to 3, x equal to 5. So we are given alpha is less than beta, so that alpha is equal to 3, beta equal to 5. Since alpha is less than beta, alpha is less than beta. So now we need to find alpha square plus beta. So alpha square plus beta equal to 3 square plus 5, that is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. This is the required value, that is equal to option 2. Alpha square plus beta is equal to 14. This is from inverse trigonometric function. Now from vector algebra, A bar, if A bar is equal, I bar I cap plus 2J bar plus 3K bar. Next, B bar is equal, to 3I bar plus J bar minus K bar, and C bar is coplanar with A bar, and C bar is coplanar with A bar and B bar, and if A bar is coplanar with A bar, B bar, and C bar is and C bar is coplanar with A bar and B bar, with A bar and B bar. Also, A bar dot C bar is equal 5 and C bar is perpendicular to B bar, then modulus of C bar is right. Given A bar is equal to I bar 2J bar 3K bar, B bar is equal to 3I bar J bar minus, let C bar is equal A1 I bar, A2 J bar, A3 K bar. Now first condition is A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar vectors. So A bar cross B bar dot C bar is equal to 0. Now find A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar equal to I bar J bar K bar. A bar cross B bar equal to I bar J bar K bar. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 1 minus 1. 3, 1 minus 1. So that is equal to I bar into minus 2 minus 3 minus J bar into so minus 1 minus 9 minus 1 minus 9 plus K bar into 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5 I bar plus 10 J bar minus 5 K bar. So A bar cross B bar dot C bar equal to 0. A bar cross B bar dot C bar equal to 0, that is equal to minus 5 I bar plus 10 J bar minus 5 K bar dot C bar, A1 I bar, A2 J bar, A3 K bar equal to 0. So that is equal to minus 5 A1 plus 10 A2 minus 5 A3 equal to 0. So dividing by 5, we get minus A1 plus 2A2 minus A3 equal to 0. A1 plus A3 is equal to 2A2. This is equation 1. Condition 1, A1 plus A3 is equal to 2A2. Now, second one is A bar dot C bar is equal to 5. Second, A bar dot C bar is equal to 5. So what is A bar? I bar plus 2J bar, I bar plus 2J bar plus 3K bar dot C bar. C bar equal to A1 I bar, A1 I bar C, A1 I bar plus A2 J bar, A3 K bar is equal to 5. That is equal to A1 plus 2A2 plus 3A3 is equal to 5. This is equation 2. Now, third condition is C bar is perpendicular to B bar. Third one, C bar is perpendicular to B bar. Therefore, C bar dot B bar equal to 0. C bar is equal to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar, A3 K bar dot B bar. B bar is equal to 3I bar plus J bar minus K bar equal to 0. So that is 3a1 plus a2 minus a3 equal to 0. That is third equation. Now solving 1, 2 and 3, we get a1, a2 and a3. On substituting c bar is equal to a1 I bar plus a2 j bar plus a3 k bar. So we get c bar vector. Now then you can find modulus of c bar value, magnitude of c bar. That is the solution of vector algebra. Next problem, statistics problem. Statistics problem. What is statistics? For a distribution of 10 observations, for a distribution of 10 observations, sigma xi I equal to 1 to 10 is equal to 50, 55. We are given 55. Next, and sigma xi square I equal to 1 to 10 is equal 328, is equal 328. If the observations 4 and 5 are replaced by 6 and 8 respectively, then new variance కనుక్కోమన్నాడు ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ వన్ సిగ్మా xi I equal to 1 to 10 observations. So x1 plus x2 plus up to x8 plus 4 and 5 are replaced by 6 and 8. 8 plus 4 and 5 is equal 55. Is equal 55. So x1 plus x2 plus x8 equal to 55 minus 9. That is equal 46. 46. Next, second one is sigma xi square I equal to 1 to 10 is equal xi square x2 square x8 square plus 16 plus 25 is equal, what is the value? 328. That is equal 328. So x1 square plus x2 square plus x8 square is equal 328 minus 16 minus 25 is equal 287. 287. Now mu is equal x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x8 plus 6 and 8 are new observations. 6 plus 8 by 10 is equal. Now this is equal, so 46. So 46 plus 6 plus 8 by 10. So that is equal 52. 60 by 10. 60 by 10 is equal 6. This is new value. Now we have to find new variance. So that is x1 square, x2 square plus up to x8 square plus 36 plus 64 is equal 36 plus 64 is equal 3 given 387. Okay. So x1 square plus x2 square plus up to x8 square 387 minus 100 is equal 287. That is equal to 287. So new variance is equal to 287. New variance is equal 387 by 10 minus 6 square. That is equal 387 by 10. 387 by 10 minus 36. 36. That is equal 387 minus 360 by 10. That is equal 27 by 10 is equal 2.7. 2.7. This is new variance. Next problem. Sequences series. Sequences series మీరు ఇచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం. If Sn is equal 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus n terms. So the sum of the first 6 terms in AP with first term equal to minus p and common difference p is square root of 2026 into s into 2025 s into 2000. The absolute value of difference between 20th and 15th terms in AP is so now given problem is Sn is equal 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus n terms. So you can write this as 1 by 1 into 2, 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 3 into 4 plus up to 1 by n into n plus 1. 1 by n into n plus 1. So you can write this as 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Now adding these two, we get 1 by 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, that is equal n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, that is equal n by n plus 1. Now S 2025 Sn is equal n by n plus 1. 2025 is equal 2025 by 2026 using Sn equal to n by n plus 1. Now next, sum of 6 terms is S6 is equal given square root of 2026 into S 2025. S6 equal to 6 by 2. 2 into. So common first term of this series is equal minus P plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal. Common difference is P is equal 2000 square root of 2026 into S 2025 equal to 2025 by 2026. So these two cancel. Here this is equal to 3 minus 2p plus 5p is equal square root of 2025. 3 into, that is equal 3 into 3p is equal 45. So p is equal 5. P is equal 5. Now we need to find the difference between S20. The difference between S20. The absolute value of difference between 20th and 15th terms. So 20th term. 20th and 15th term. So that is equal T20 minus T15. Absolute value is equal A plus N minus 1 into T. So that is equal, A means here N minus 1. A plus N minus 1 into D. Minus here again A plus N minus 1 into D. So that is equal, both are cancelled, N minus 1 into D minus here second one is N minus A get cancelled. Here N is equal 20. 20 minus, you can write this 20 minus, that is equal so minus P plus 19 into D. 19 into D is equal, what is the value of D? That is equal P. 19p minus P, next 14 into P, that is equal 19p minus 14p, that is equal 5p. 5p is equal, what is the value of P? 5 into 5 is equal 25. So sum difference of T20 minus T15 is equal to answer 15. This is from sequences and series. Next problem. Functions. Next problem from functions, that is if f of x satisfies if f of x satisfies if f of x satisfies the functional equation f of x plus 6 into f of 1 by x is equal 35 by 3x minus 7 by 2. Then limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. 1 by alpha x plus f of x exists finitely and is equal to beta, then alpha minus 2 beta is equal. This is the value, we have to find it. So first one is f of x plus 6 into f of 1 by x is equal 35 by 3x minus 7 by 2. Now substitute 1 by x in the place of x, we get f of 1 by x plus 6 into f of x is equal 35x by 3 minus 7 by 2. Now that implies f of 1 by x plus 6 into f of x equal to 70x minus 21 by 6. Now 6 into f of 1 by x plus 36 into f of x is equal to 70x minus 1. This is 2. Now first one is 1. Now 2 minus 1 gives 2 minus 1 gives 2 minus 1 gives here 36 f of x plus 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 70x minus 21. Now f of x 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 35 by 3x minus 7 by 2. So minus plus. So these are cancelled. 35 into f of x is equal 35 into f of x equal to here 70x minus 35 by 3x here minus 21 plus 7 by 2. So that is equal to 35 f of x is equal 70x minus 35 by 3x plus 7 minus 42 by 2, that is equal to 70x 35 by 3x minus 35 by 2. So f of x is equal to 2x 70 by 35 is 2x minus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 2. This is f of x. Now we need to find limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. 1 by alpha x plus 2x minus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 2 equal to beta. So it is finitely, exists finitely, so that alpha is equal here 3, because both these should be cancelled. So alpha is equal to 3. Now limit extends to 0 means 2 into 0, 0. So now these two are cancelled. So that is equal, the value of this is equal minus 1 by 2. Next value is alpha equal to 3, beta is equal, what about beta? Beta is equal minus 1 by 2. Now we need to find alpha minus 2 beta. Alpha minus 2 beta is equal to 3 minus 2 into minus 1 by 2. That is equal to answer 4. Right.